Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys! And you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here. I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from photos, prices, product codes, launch dates, and features. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode. And happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us start. So we are going to discuss Women's Prefall 2025 Collection Romance that has already launched May 9, 2025. First, we have the on-the-go PM. Price of this one is €3,100 or 3,950 USD. Material guys of this one, would you believe this is a calfskin leather printed with the May Azure and monogram print? How gorgeous, right? And then we have all in size BB. Price of this one is €2,800 or 3,500 USD. Same material guys, calfskin leather printed with the May Azure and monogram pattern. Cowhide leather trims. It comes with adjustable strap, bag charm, and it comes with mini pochette. I love actually the monogram charm that it comes with as well. Then guys, the one that they're pushing, biker, this one size MM. So have you seen Lalisa of Blackpink using this? So this one price is €3,900 or 4,600 USD. So the material of this one guys, wow, lambskin leather with cowhide leather trims, detachable leather strap, monogram interior with gold hardware. I love the monogram interior, don't you think? Then guys, this one I think may be my favorite, biker size nano. Price of this one is €2,900 or 3,250 USD. Material is lambskin leather, cowhide leather trims, detachable leather strap, and the interior guys is also the same, made of monogram interior. It comes with silver hardware, of course. Then next is we have biker size PM. So price of this one is €3,600 or 4,300 USD. We have SKU here, same material, lambskin leather. Actually, I love the lambskin that they're using because I could see it looks like a full grain leather, which would feel it would be very hard wearing. I love the colorway of this one as well. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, we have Speedy 30 Bandolier Soft. Price of this one is €11,600 or 14,300 USD. Material is ostrich leather. It would also come with cowhide leather trims, detachable leather strap. It comes with bag tag, lock key, and key clochette with gold hardware. It would come in a tan-like colorway. As you could see, it would come, so Speedy 30 Bandolier Soft. Price is €11,600 or 14,300 USD. Are you guys a fan of ostrich leather? Honestly, if you're going to ask me of all of the exotic leather, I think the ostrich leather I'm not really a huge fan of because I'm not really a fan of the design of the ostrich leather. Next, we have Speedy 30 bandolier soft. This one I prefer better. So price is 3,650 euro or 4,750 USD. So price is much better as well. Calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Color is cloud gray. It would come with detachable leather strap. Guys, are you also noticing there is a monogram pattern on the leather which feels very luxurious? Then guys, we have the very beautiful side trunk size mm with the same material. Price is 3,900 euro or 4,850 USD from the women's Prefall 2025 collection. Material calfskin leather with monogram. It would come with cowhide leather trims. Colors cloud gray. It would come also with the detachable reverse monogram pouch. Then we have IV wallet on chain. Price is 1,550 euro or 1,850 USD. Guys, this is wallet on chain, so please bear that in mind. So this is very small. I love, of course, the reverse monogram canvas that they are using. This is the very first time I believe that they have used this for the wallet on chain. Next on the collection, how beautiful is this one? Side trunk size mm. So price of this one is 5,400 euro or 6,750 USD. Material is calfskin leather. So guys, are you a fan of the charms that they're using for the side trunk mm? Kindly comment down below. Although it kind of reminds me of the charms that Coach has been using for their runway shows. And then we have Odyssey. Price of this one is 3,300 euro or 3,950 USD. Material is calfskin leather. So this is the interior. So this is a drawstring bag with magnetic lock closure as well. So I believe this one also comes in the monogram, but this is the very first time, if I'm not mistaken, that they have released in a calfskin leather in color noir. Next, we have the very beautiful Petite Malle. Price of this one is 5,600 euro. We have SKU here. Material is calfskin leather. The bloom cut animation. It would come with cowhide leather trims. Color is lily white. It would come with detachable leather strap, and it would come with gold hardware as well. How gorgeous is this Petite Malle, don't you think? Next on the collection, we have Go 14. Guys, please take note, wallet on chain. So this one price is more affordable. Price is 2,900 or 3,450 USD compared to the real Go 14 of Louis Vuitton. So I believe the price of this one is also the same as the Chanel's wallet on chain, don't you think? So it comes with mallet touch finish as well. Next on the collection, we have SLGs. First, we have Rosalie coin purse. Price of this one is 540 euro or 685 USD. So guys, the material of this one, would you believe, it's calfskin leather. Yes, that has the Dame Azur print and monogram print as well. It would come with cowhide leather trims as well with gold hardware. I'm loving that they're doing this one in cowhide leather trims. Then of course, next is card holder. Price of this one is 470 euro or 6,000 or 600 USD. Same material, so monogram Dune leather with the Dame Azur and monogram print. It would come with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is Dune. So what do you think of this one? Loving the monogram Dune colorway as well. Next, we have passport cover. Price of this one is 300 euro or 380 USD. Material is reverse monogram canvas. So this is the interior. Cowhide leather interior. I love it in color noir. So what do you think of this one? This passport cover is very chic and very different because it is made on reverse monogram canvas. And last but not the least, we have Capucines BB. Price of this one is 7,800 euro. We have SKU here. So material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Color is gray. It comes with detachable leather strap. And of course, the most striking feature of the Capucines BB is the crystal embellishment. So what do you think of this one, guys? There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and Follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe and I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!